So this is the Smash new model with disc brake, 115 cc. By Suzuki. The cash price for this one is 63,500. So this is the Suzuki GSX-R 150cc. So this is keyless ignition system. So the cash price for this is 168,000. So this one is the Raider. R150 for 98,000 cash. So this is 168, the GXXR 150. $468, and the Raider R150 is 98. This is the Suzuki big bike, one model GXS 1000cc. So as requested for those that wants a Suzuki big bike. So the cash price for GSX 1000 I mean, Suzuki big bike is 650,000. Suzuki GSX-R 1000cc. So you can see the beauty of the bike. These are the Suzuki big bikes that you have requested. So I'm here visiting Suzuki to show you the big bikes that Suzuki has to offer here in Cebu. Unfortunately, they don't have a big showroom for Suzuki big bikes here because their main showroom for the big bikes is located in Infinity, Bacolod City. So if you look at this, this model is called the GSX-R 1000cc. The price, cash price, is 955,000 pesos. So financing gyapon og i-install nino?
Wala tayo installment sa big bike mo.
Bro, og mo install, og gusto sila installment through financing lang.
Hindi mo maalaw sa big bike ang installment.
Lagi mo adto sila laing financing ba? Bangko, nana.
Oh,
Okay.
Kung paano, basta nga rin sa mga cash.
So, they don't have in-house installment for the big bikes. You need to go to a financing company or a bank. Mudawat ang bangko ni bank. So that's the GXSR Suzuki. The next one is GXX
S.
RS, so the GSXS. So it looks different. You can see the difference. And there. In fact, the price differs as well. This is only 659,000 cash. All in 1000 cc. So this is like the one that it was displayed on the other shop, but you can see it here, GSXS 1000, and the other one is GSXR 1000. So they have the Suzuki B Storm. Again, this is 1000 cc, but the price for this B Storm is 764,000. Now you can see the difference. They only have 3 big bikes on display brand new here in Suzuki dealership here in AS Fortuna. Although they still have your other Suzuki brand here. This is the GXS R150. Kanidong pila ni? Ha? 156. 150cc rin ni gano. JSSR 150cc. 6-speed. Lahi din siya atong na-speakers dito.
Ang color pareha lang.
The same run, no? So this is 168,000 gano cash price. 165. Na pila ang down payment for. So for installment this is 20% down payment, 50%. Mao ba? Kana mga inanat 50% daw na.
Dili, ang kinira mga dagko mo.
So these are their big bikes that they have to request you to pay 50% down payment of the retail price. Kani siyang Geyser. 150cc. Again, 5-speed Geyser.
Ang atong down payment for installment is 20K only.
20K for Geyser. 150 5-speed.
May GSXS 150.
Kani GSXS 150.
6-speed, yeah. 6-speed is just like a GSXR.
Unya 6-speed siya.
Yes.
And then cash price.
Same price as about.
Kani 165,000. Nya kani unsa naman nila mga smash na ni.
Mga shooters, mga 115.
115cc And the same na ano. The scooter is pila ni ka cc?
110.
The scooter is only 110. Pila ang cash price for the shooter?
56.
56,000. Then ang down payment is
Minimum ng tao, 5,150.
5,150 is the down payment for an
Contact promo kanin 288.
so you can avail for this one for down payment of 288. This is the monthly for 3 years. Shooter sa ning usa dong. Pila ka cc ang shooter gani? 1115 lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya kani siya 1110.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kani smash. Paunsa ning 5,000 nga down payment ga. Mo sa smash. Mo na inyong promo sa smash.
Well, regular na nga down payment na to.
5,000 and 2,987 for 3 years. Kani Raider ni? Pila ning Raider ga? 150. Mo ni disc brake na ni?
Yes, ma'am.
98,500 pesos is the cash price. Same na sila ga no? Line nagnaong.
Yes, ma'am. Ang colorated rin siya. Pero ang iyang CC 150 then 6 speed.
6 speed gyapon.
Ito pa niya siyang diaphragm type.
The diaphragm type. Mao ni siyang yung racing bike.
Okay, kung saan siyang
Racing bike race kani
fuel injected nga kuan.
FI
Rider, yes, ma'am.
FI Rider.
111 ang price.
111,000 is the cash price, and then the down payment is 40,000. 3,733 per month for 3 years. Pila ni ka cc gang?
150 ma'am. Then
150 gyapon Raider 150 6 speed. Di siya nindot oh. Mahal-mahal sad siya pero 150cc. The same one with this one Raider 150. Again pila itong down anigang? 20,000. Ang cash price good 98,500 Raider 150, and then the down payment is 20,000.
Din nga to rebate on stable na hatod na human ang term.
So that's the rebate that you have to pay. They deducted in your monthly payment if you pay it early, no? That's 750. So you can notice they have a bigger rebate.
Hindi pareha sa urban company mga mag-length of 1 year magkaubos ang rebate.
So you have to their rebate will be until the end of your term. So you can save a lot of money if you're paying early. So this is the Suzuki here. You can also buy Suzuki accessories.